Hi, I'm Clark. Let's get your new DJI Phantom 4 Advanced ready to fly. This drone comes with an extremely smart camera that can track moving objects without a separate device, avoid obstacles, and change direction with the tap of your finger. The Phantom 4 Advanced is super lightweight and rigid with a titanium and magnesium alloy airframe. Its camera can capture rock-solid 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second and 20 megapixel stills from the air using a 1-inch CMOS sensor. The Phantom 4 Advanced has obstacle avoidance and vision positioning features to make flying it safer and easier than ever before. This drone has a top speed of 45 miles an hour in sport mode and a high-capacity battery that gives you 30 minutes of flight time. You will love the new next-generation remote controller because it has a maximum range of 4.3 miles. This is going to be fun. Before we check out what's in the box, let's go over a few quick safety rules before your first flight. These come from the FAA and they are important to follow. First, find an open space. Never fly near people or buildings. Use a map to make sure you're at least 5 miles from any airport. I suggest leaving yourself 10 miles and make sure you're avoiding all no-fly zones. Most of the time, your drone won't even lift off if you try to take off in a no-fly zone. And finally, always keep your Phantom 4 Advanced within eyesight. So let's see what's in the box. The Phantom 4 Advanced comes in its own padded case, which can be pretty useful for storing and transporting your drone. Just pull the latch out and twist it clockwise to open the lid. Inside is the Phantom 4 Advanced drone. Lift it out and you can see the camera is already attached and the battery is already installed. There are no props on our drone yet, but we'll get to that in a later video. The camera comes cradled in this plastic that snaps into the landing gear for safe travel. Make sure you keep that around for future use. A 16 gigabyte micro SD card is included. You'll find it in the card slot on the side of the drone near the USB port. Next, we'll take out the remote controller. You'll see some cables in here, a micro USB cable and a micro USB to USB-A adapter to help with downloading updates from your mobile device to your drone. Next is a microfiber pouch that has 2 full sets of propellers. These props have colored circles at the top to help you install them on their proper motors. Finally, we have the charger, with one plug to charge the drone's battery and a separate plug to charge the remote controller. There are a few manuals in here too, including a quick start guide that you can use for reference.